Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to put in a treasure chest at the bottom of your ocean floor. How would I go ahead and do that? I'm going to go ahead and put in my ocean floor like we've done in the past. Then I'm going to go ahead and put in a line that goes up like this and down. Another line here. So now I have something that looks kind of like a parallelogram sitting in here, but it's going behind this ocean floor. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put another line down here and another line like there. Now can you see the box sitting here at the bottom of the ocean floor? Next, I'm going to go ahead and put in the top. So I'm putting a line like this. I'm going to follow, and if I imagine that there was a back side to this, this line would also come out here, like so. Then I'm going to connect these two guys. Now here's the top, but the top has a lot of thickness to a treasure chest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with a round piece right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring that across and still round there, and now I have the top of my treasure chest. And this could also have a thickness to it. We don't want it to be thin. And then if I wanted to have treasure pouring out of it, I would just stack up little lines like it's all being, piled in here. Make sure you're erasing stuff. And if I want to, I can take this and make some pearls draped over top of the sand. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put in a border. I feel like it would need one. And then I'm going to do that all the way around. These will go ahead and go there. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do right here is put in a little lock, like it needs a key. And then if I want to, I can make it a wooden treasure chest. I went a little thick up top here, I'm sorry about all that. But you guys get the idea. And if you wanted to, because you guys all love bubbles coming out of there like it's being opened. Voila.